Hey everyone, welcome back to a quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make a simple animation of bouncing ball with CSS. Now, in order to do it, you don't need to write any code. Just simply open any of the browser you have, and here you have to search for animista.net. You can see the right URL over there. If I pronounce it wrong by any chance, just simply go to this website, and you can go do this from your smartphones as well. Now, let's just wait for the site to respond. Just simply hit start, and here you're gonna see multiple animations over there. You're gonna find multiple animation that you can use to create your effects that you want. Now just simply go to this option of bounce, and here you're gonna see the bounce effect have been generated. There are multiple settings that I can change here as well, and once I am satisfied with my changes, I can just hit this option to generate the CSS code for this animation, and I can directly hit copy class and use it on my CSS. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.